Hi, me again, Nick from Solution World of Clean. This is Fabricate, and we designed this specifically for use on upholstery. It contains a specific and very special wetting agent, so it kind of works its way into fabric. You know, some of the fabrics can be really difficult to clean. You keep treating them, you keep getting a stronger and stronger product, potentially risking doing some damage. This is pH neutral. It cleans and it leaves behind a soil retardant coating. That's not a protector, just something to help maintain the material a little bit longer. Dilution's pretty good. You're looking at using 20 to 50 mil per litre depending on soiling. Most people reach for that really powerful product thinking, oh, I've got to go really high pH. You don't have to go high pH, just you need to use the most appropriate product. This is probably the safest one you can use on upholstery.